Okay, so good afternoon everybody. I'm Shikarni Grace L. Sullivan and I'm going to report human environmental factors affecting motivation. So first, what to expect. So objectives, at the end of the lesson, students can, number one is identify the different teachers' behavioral traits that are facilitative of learning. Number two, we have discussed the demotivating function of bullying in schools. Number three, we have reflect on the behavioral traits of parents who are supportive learning of. And number four, we have answered the activities given after the lesson. So let's proceed to teachers' affective traits. So we have six teachers' affective traits. First, we have caring. Caring, the specific attributes that show caring are, caring is teachers demonstrate genuine concern for the students' well-being and academic progress. So for example, a teacher might offer extra help to students who are struggling or check in with students who are going through a tough time. So number two, we have fairness and respect. Fairness is fair teachers treat all students equally and apply classroom rules consistently. For example, a teacher might grade assignments based on clear criteria and provide feedback that is specific and constructive. Next, we have enthusiasm. Enthusiasm and motivation for learning show in teachers with enthusiasm are passionate about their subject and convey this passion to their students. They create engaging lessons, use dynamic teaching methods, and show genuine excitement about learning. So for example, we have a history teacher might use interactive games to teach about historical events, bringing the subject to life for students. So next, we have positive expectation of students manifested in. So as a future educators, you need to give your students a positive thoughts to boost their confidence so that they will be successful someday. Next, we have reflective practice. So this is the last one. So reflective practice is an ongoing process that helps teachers become more effective educators. By regularly reflecting on their teaching, teachers can identify areas for improvement and create a more positive and productive learning environment for their students. So that's all. Thank you.